Well, hello everybody, and welcome to Hooked on Carnival. Once again, we're going to give you more information that you can soak up and learn everything you can about Carnival glass. This is a great tool, and we've gone through some of the tools down here already. This time, this time we're going to go to the pattern ID tool. Okay, this is important. Let's say you go somewhere and you're in a garage sale and you see a piece of Carnival glass and you don't know what it is. You can't figure out how much it's going to be worth unless you know what it is. So what we have to do is determine what it is, and it's an easy way of doing it, answering questions about it. Does it have this? Does it have that? Down the line until you finally get what you're looking for. So let's click on this and open it up and see what we've got. First of all, Tasha. Oh, hi Tasha. How you doing? Well, so you've got a piece here that you don't know what it is. Oh, okay. Well, is it okay if I use this as an example here? Okay, Tasha's got this bowl here, pretty bowl. Okay, and I want to now determine what it is so that Tasha can then figure out how much it's worth. Okay, let's take a look at it. Well, what does this have? Okay, first of all, I see bunches of grapes here. More than just one grape or two grapes. There's a whole bunch there. A bunch there, a bunch there. Okay, so it's got bunches of grapes. What do I do next? Well, over here there's a list of descriptors, all going from A all the way down to zigzag, A to Z. And I want to find something on there that says something about grapes. Well, grapes, let's see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, grapes, okay. And it says grape bunches. Well, that's exactly what I want. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Oh, well, that doesn't tell me anything. No, Tasha says no. That doesn't help her at all. Okay, well, maybe there's something else on here. Maybe there's another descriptor on here, right? Okay. Let's take a look at it again. Okay. Oh, look at here. There's a flower. Okay, so it's got grapes and flowers. So we've got to find the piece that has both grapes and flowers in it, right? Okay, good. Well, flowers, well, that's F, fans, Greek key. Oh, floral. Okay, and floral is flowers and blossoms. So I'm going to click that descriptor. Well, I still got a lot of them. Maybe not as many as I had before, but I still got to find another identifying identifying thing on here that's going to help me narrow it down even further. Okay, so let's take a look at it again. We've got grapes, we've got flowers, and right here there's a leaf, and there's another leaf. Okay, let's add that descriptor to our list of descriptors over here. And let's see, horseshoe, leaves and foliage. Leaves, cattails, stems. Okay, I'm going to now click on leaves and foliage. If I can get my descriptor or my cursor. There you go. Well, that's a lot easier now. So I've got grapes, floral, leaves, and foliage. Well, it doesn't look like this. It doesn't look like this. It doesn't look like this. No, doesn't have frolicking bears on. No, that doesn't. It's not a picture like that. No. No, grape medallion. Oh, look at this. Well, yeah, Tasha says that's it. That's it. It's got the grapes, it's got the flowers, and it's got the leaves in it. Now, okay, well, am I finished here now? No, I can click on this now, right? Holy cow, look at that. I've got all these different options now. Thank you. Oh, that's great, Tasha. Now you know. It's a Lotus and Grape by Fenton. Now, there are different shapes to them, different edge treatments, and sometimes they're not perfectly round. They turn them into like three-sided pieces, or they add little handles on each side. But the pattern is exactly what we want. Great. Well, now what are we going to do with this now? Now you want to know maybe, you might want to know some more information about it. Well, if I scroll down a little bit more, there's more information about it. It can come in sawtooth edges, bowls, two sizes, all the different information down here. So you can measure the bowl, okay? And Available shapes are bonbons, bowls, plates, or rose bowls. But this is a bowl, right? Okay, so go further down here, and now I got to select a shape. Okay, so we got pattern, and now we want shape. Okay, is it a bonbon? No. Is it a bowl? Yeah, I think so, because it's not a plate or a rose bowl. Okay, so we're going to click bowl, and there you go. And look at this, all this information down here. And all you have to do now is determine the color of it. Okay, and I think we might be one of these here. These are all the colors that particular piece comes in. So now you've got to decide on that, and then you get some information over here about that. Okay, so that's how you use this. That's how it's just a matter of yes, no, yes, no. What's yeses? You click on all the yeses, and you get obviously the choices that will come up and identify that piece for you. Well, that's great. That's great. So let's say if I want to go back here now. Okay. And again, this is what we needed to do. Now, if you wanted to start another piece, well, of course, you would uncheck all these to help you. Come out here. Yep. There you go. And then you'd start all over again. Okay? Great, Tasha. I think we did very good together. Okay? And now we're getting back to our main screen here. And again, that's the Pattern ID tool. That is a tremendous help for the people who may go into an antique store and see a piece they really like. Well, what is it? And from then, you can determine, how much is it worth? Okay, sounds good. And I think that's about it. That covers that pattern tool, a part of the main screen here. And we'll hope to see you next time when we go a little bit deeper into everything. Okay, take care, have a good day, and happy collecting. Bye-bye, Tasha. Thanks for all the help.